We're in the Dalyan area today, and you can see the airport right there. And here it looks like this. Much better. So we have a big group today. We go all the way around until the other side. I'm excited about this. Okay, so there's a cave ahead.
Die hele steen, hè? Hier, die hol eigenlijk.
Oh ja.
Kom maar. Zie je dan?
Oh wow. Safe place for your goats. Well, it'll sure be one of the last spring walks. Things are drying out real quick now. A few weeks and all the green is gone. Oh, what's behind here? Getting better and better. I hope this one gets marked soon. I think I saw it on the map. Just be careful.
A bit bruised, some potholes or some air holes.
And you'll never hear the end of it, of course. So you better make it in one piece. little monkeys on a rock. Hope they mark it soon. Everybody can enjoy it. Okay, we have the airport over there again. And we walk all the way around.
You don't believe it until you start looking back.
It looks a lot more than it was walking. My goodness. Because there's the steep drop where we had a break.
Because that's where we started, isn't it? Where that small hump is at the end.